Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I will be testing out these acoustic panels to see if it helps reduce noises from traveling down this hallway. And down this hallway to the tripod is about 25 feet. I will be placing a recording device to record the sound levels. I will be installing all the acoustic panels all along this wall. There will be a total coverage a little over 33 feet squared. Hopefully there will be a difference. We will see. Let's check this out. This is nicely wrapped. Came all the way from China. I wasn't keeping track of the days, but for sure it came in less than 2 weeks. I wasn't in a hurry or anything. So this is a 2-pack of 24s. So the size of this is 10 inches by 10 inches and 2 inches depth. Let's see. That's about 10 by 10. And this whole package contains 24. And it's about compressed to 3.5 inches. Very nicely packed, very compacted. Here are the instructions: acoustic foam recovery methods. So it's showing 2 methods. One of them is let it sit for 24 hours. And then if you spray some adhesive and it'll stick together on the wall. Second method is soak in water. Squeeze all the water out, let it dry or air dry. And spray adhesive and stick on. Sounds pretty easy. I'll show you guys another method. It seems to work very well. As you can see, this is still pretty flat. I left this out for a few days and it's still flat. So we're gonna try heat this up with the hair dryer. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty flat, very compressed. There should be 12 of these in this one bundle. It's already slowly getting back its shape. It feels kind of cheap, I guess. I guess that's what you pay for. I'm going to open up all the packages and let it sit out here. I'm going on a vacation and I'll see how it turns out when I come back. You can already see it's already expanding, but it still needs some time. It still looks pretty flat. It's supposed to expand till up to 2 inches. Alright, let's check these out. I left these out for more than 48 hours. Surprisingly, they turned out pretty well. Most of them are expanded all the way, but there are a few that did not expand. Like this one over here. Still can use some more work. I think I'm gonna shove all these in my dryer to give them another run, as the heat helps these foam expand faster. These ones are still can do some more work. Can still expand to a little more. They're not. There's still some imperfection. There's some dents in them. Hopefully the dryer will fix them. The ones underneath are not expanded because it's been squished down from the ones on top. I'm pretty happy with the overall results, but there's still a lot of flat ones that could be expanded, like this one. I'm gonna try to put all these in my dryer and see how it turns out after that. The dryer method actually turned out really well. A lot faster and easier than the hair dryer. The foam pieces, all of them are fully expanded, but some of them are deformed because of the tumble, but that can easily be fixed by the hair dryer. I think I recommend this method of all of them. Saves me a lot of time. I put the setting on maximum heat and only for 5 minutes, and it did all 48 pieces. Not too bad. I don't think I would recommend method number 2. Soaking in water would be a waste of time. Let's do a quick measurement after fully expanded. This is about 10 inches wide and also 10 inches the other way. And the thickness of this foam pattern, the thickest point is 2 inches and the thinnest spot is about ½ inch. Here's a list of things that we will need. Once you have everything, you want to design and plan your layout. Next, measure each cardboard section. And then once you have it all measured out, we will need to cut it. I cut the cardboard about 1/4 inch smaller all around, so when I lay down the panel, the cardboard does not stick out and show. The easiest way to install the panel is to place the section of the cardboard right up against the wall, and then place some glue near the center where the panel would sit, and press firmly until the glue settles. There are many ways to secure these panels onto the wall. The easiest way to cut down the drywall screw to ½ inch is by using your linesman. The linesman usually is about ½ inch thick, so you can use that to gauge the size. Put it roughly around to the edge. Now this should be about ½ inch long. Yep. The reason I chose to cut my drywall screw to ½ inch is because this drywall is about ½ inch thick, and also this is an exterior wall. I don't want to puncture through the vapor barrier, and also I don't want to have the risk of puncturing any water lines or wires. So when you have it at ½ inch, you can feel free to put it wherever you want without damaging anything behind this wall where you cannot see. And feel free to put as many drywall screws to hold up the sections as you want. Now I have all my sections on the wall. I will finish gluing the acoustic panels onto the cardboard. Let's take a look at the results. this actually turned out quite well. It actually looks pretty nice. Might even look better in person than in camera. I'm very happy with the results. Now this is what it looks like from the side. Nice and flush against the wall. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, sorry I forgot to use a decibel meter, but I came to a conclusion. These acoustic panels I bought barely did anything to me. I have came to two possible solutions that could possibly help me reduce sound noises from traveling down this hallway. Since this TV covers a large surface area and it still bounces a lot of sound waves off the TV, I might have to buy even more acoustic panels to cover this entire flat surface area. And down here, and this entire wall here, and here. This might actually help me reduce sound noise from traveling down the hall, or either buy professional acoustic panels and install them along these walls. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give you a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time.